Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basic to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business, so then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, so then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the help of dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skills that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have, then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects, and along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm going to review a financial modeling course by BSE Institute. Okay, so the course name is Financial Modeling for Analysis and Evaluation. So this is basically the basic information about this course. So this is going to be an intermediate level of course. So the mode of learning will be the live online. Then duration of this course will be 1 month. Okay, so if we look at the course description, so this short-term professional program is designed to provide participants with the practical skills and knowledge necessary to create and analyze financial models for investment analysis and company evaluation process. So talking about the eligibility criteria, so the financial modeling for analysis and valuation program doesn't require any specific level of education or prior qualifications. So however, a basic understanding of the subject matter could be beneficial. So this is basically about their admission process. So now moving forward with the course syllabus or the curriculum. So session 1 will be creating a financial model template using Excel 1. Session 2 will be creating a financial model template using Excel 2. Session 3 will be financial model for a new business. Session 4 will be financial model for a new business. Session 5 will be modeling case study 1. For session 6 will be modeling case study 2. Session 7 will be analysis and valuation part 1. And session 8 will be analysis and valuation part 2. So after completion of this course, so what are the job prospects that you can expect? So you can apply for any financial analyst role, equity research analyst role, financial analyst role, valuation specialist role. Okay, so these are the kind of feature of this course. So if we look at within this course, if they are providing with any kind of internship kind of opportunities, so they have not mentioned on their website like if they will be providing you with the any kind of internship. So placement support is again not covered in this course. So if we talk about the fee of this course, so that will be going to be somewhere around 15,000-16,000 rupees. Okay, so basis the details that we have looked into this particular course. So now I'm going to review this course, rate this course based on certain parameters. So the parameters are basically listed on the left. So if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be a average kind of course. So then Excel skills that you will be learning in this course. So live session will be there, but those are going to be limited. Doubt session will not be there. Internship support is missing in this course. Placement support is again missing in this course. Course fee will be good. Course duration will be smaller. Then money back guarantee is missing in this course. So LMS success is something that you will be getting in this course. So based on these parameters, so this course has scored 5 out of 10. Okay, so in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of financial modeling, I can suggest a better financial modeling course which basically comes with a complete package which covers all the aspects that you expect from any financial modeling course. Okay, so I'm going to share the details related to that course in the description box, so please check that out. In case you need any kind of further assistance from my end, so feel free to ping me in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching the video.